Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Have you lost trust in the crypto market? I get it. We've seen scandals and collapses leaving us feeling skeptical. But fear not, because there's a solution. The ICE network. The ICE network is all about transparency, decentralization, and democratic governance. It's like a breath of fresh air in the crypto world. With ICE, fraud and abuse become things of the past. It's a secure platform that ensures your transactions are safe, and it empowers you to be a part of the decision-making process. That's right, my fellow crypto enthusiasts. In the ICE network, every voice matters. You can vote directly on proposals, delegate your voting power, or engage in meaningful discussions. It's a fair and transparent system. Decentralization is key. No more single entities controlling the show. It's about empowering users and creating a system of checks and balances. The ICE network combines open source code, secure technology, and a culture of inclusivity. It's rewriting the rules of trust for crypto assets. So my friends, if you're ready to restore trust in the crypto market and be a part of a decentralized revolution, join the ICE network today. Let's build a future of transparency, security, and democracy together.